Hey, what's up, XYO network, my friend? In this time, XYO is completely on the trending in the crypto market, and I have some very special charts, the trending charts, my friends. So therefore, I'm so happy, and I will recommend you, my friends, to please watch this video completely to understand better. And do this, I will give you 100% guarantee to you will be get a very good profit, my friend. So this time you can see a detailed trend components of the XYO network forecast and prognosis. So this time you can see here prognosis, this time you can see here forecast trend line. As you can see here, this chart is clearly told you, my friends, to this coin will completely go in the moon now, because this chart is completely, my friend, on the trending. You can see here very huge jump take now here, and I'm 100% sure to my friends, you can see here they will just in only half USD dollar hit now. So this is the main point, my friend. As you can see here too, they will hit now this huge target. But definitely after every coin were moving in this circulation, my friend, so you can see, my friend, they will moving and zigzag, my friend. So I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will go and be straight now, and they will easily hit this target, achieve this now. So please, my friend, in those days, if you are starting investing, so therefore there is a chance, my friends, to we will miss this now. But this time you can see the second chance. So the second chance also going to be right now. I hope, my friends, they will recover it and they will hit now. And you can see here, my friend, every coin will moving indirectly, but here, as you can see, is the time wasting. So therefore this is also possible, my friends, too. You will become here now, otherwise, my friend, this is impossible now. Let's see, my friends, to what's next now. In those days every coin were very badly falls down, not good, my friends, moving in every day. So my friends, my prediction is totally going to be positive, because I research personally very highly, and this time, my friend, this coin XYO is also in the trending. So therefore I hope, my friends, they will do this and do something very special and new now. Thanks for watching XYO holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel.